how to connect crypto wallet to exchange. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect a crypto wallet to an exchange. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Thing that you want to do is open the Bybit app or website and click on assets. Over here, click on withdraw and search for Toncoin. After that, select Toncoin to proceed. Then you need to get the wallet address from your Telegram wallet. Open the Telegram wallet and over here, click on receive. Copy your Ton wallet address from here. After that, go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address into the required field. Then choose the appropriate network. Over here, note that the tag or memo is not required when sending to a Telegram wallet. Next, enter the amount of Ton coin you want to send and click on withdraw. So that's how you can connect a crypto wallet to an exchange. That's all for this video.